Well guys, I'm thinking my son-in-law bought this big ass aquarium set up, thinking he was going to put it in his house, and decided when they changed houses that it's way too big. Now that's turned around backwards right now, the bottom half and the top half. The bottom half is backwards. Think about putting it in the garage because I've got so many baby fish. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do a video on putting this thing together. Okay guys, I got it from over there. And me and my wife got it into the back of the truck. I looked it up, gallon wise, it's considered a 140 gallon, but it's probably going to take at least 10 gallons to fill up that little centerpiece there where it goes down to the sump. So probably looking at 130 gallons really, but it's pretty it was salt water, so it's got all those salt stains all over it. Thinking out breaking out the power washer, but keeping it off the seams, you know, where the silicone is, and blasting it off of there, and maybe using a little CLR to soften it up and see how it is. Then get it pushed back even on the truck and fill it up. Make sure she don't leak. Okay. Got her pre-treated with some CLR. And we got the old power washer out. So let's see how she cleans up. Okay, about 2 hours later, and I got it as clean as I'm going to be able to get it, I think. Get all that white crap off of it. Fill it up with water, let her set for a little bit and see how she does, and if it looks okay, then drain it and get the cabinet moved in here. I'm going to set it up in the garage. I've got a very insulated garage, a couple of heaters, it'll be fine. It never gets below 60 degrees in the garage, even in the dead of winter. So good so far, or so far so good, but that, like I said, it took me a lot longer. I had to power wash it and then get a razor blade hold of it, the sides, except for the front. Didn't have to do anything to the front, which is good. It means I didn't scratch it up, and so far it doesn't really look like it's got any major scratches or anything, so that's good. Okay, I got her put on except for the top piece, which I may or may not put on out here. I don't know. It's just so, that top piece is really big. I may just leave it like this for now. Hard to tell in here because of the reflection, but they cleaned up a lot better than I was expecting. So now I'm going to wash it out again. Scrub it down, vacuum it all out, probably twice, and then fill it up with water. See what filters I can get, see what I've got, and if not, I'll go buy. I'm gonna go buy a canister, big canister filter for it. I'm not gonna bother with the sump. I think it's just too much trouble because this is probably not gonna be out here, but maybe until the end of next spring or so, and then I'll probably sell this one and do something else. Okay, got it together. Lots of storage on this thing. It's pretty big in this garage. It's got a lot of settling to do. I went ahead and put a power head with an established sponge on that to do some filtering and to get my cycle going. I had these in the other 120 and I changed them out yesterday, yesterday. I changed them out yesterday, so I put them in here. And that's that power head and sponge filter. It'll get removed temporarily. I've just got, you can't see it because it's too bright, but I just got it's a LED light. It's like these that are in the garage. In there, later on I'll get me a better light for it. You can still see back on that black some discoloration, and there's just not much I can do about it because that middle piece is like perforated and it really holds on, and that was, like I said, that was a saltwater tank. So I'll be anxious to get my canister filter and get it on here and get this thing going. Get a bunch of them baby fish I've got into a bigger tank, start growing and eliminate some of the small tanks in the house. That's the point. That's the point of this tank. Anyway, there we go. I didn't get a complete setup video, but you got the gist of it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will do an update when I get the fish in there and I have everything going. Until then, like us and subscribe to us. This is the noob out.